Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and I'm here to draw the winner of the Ningxia Red. Last month I did a draw, anyone in my team who did 100 PV in products for June 2022 went in the draw to win one of 4. So there's going to be 4 different winners for one of these. Remember, pulp at the bottom. Make sure you give it a good shake because you want to make sure that you drink all the goodness. I drink about 10 to 20 mils of this every day. It has zeaxanthin and lutein in it, which is great for eye health, and it's great for supporting a healthy immune system, and it's great for energy. Anyone who wants amazing energy, this is the bottle that you want to be drinking every day. So here are the entries for the competition. You can see their names are here. I'm going to put it, that's it. So now I'm going to put it in here with the help. Okay, so in they go. There's one still here. This one here. Oh, 2 still there. Okay. So in they go. Here we go. Let's draw the winners and see who wins. First winner is Kate H. Second winner is Rosin Jim T. Hang on, give it a stir. Next winner is Simon D. Next winner is Michelle E. So congratulations to those 4 winners. I'll get your Ningxia Red prize to you, and let's get energy going. Remembering that the Bloom Collagen Challenge is happening, so all those people who want to do the Bloom Collagen, great for skin health and results in 6 weeks for skin. So I'm going to try it for the first time and do the collagen. I've got it on its way here to my home as I speak. Let's see what happens with our skin after that. Have a great one. Bye.